An atomic bomb is an explosive device belonging to the group of nuclear weapons, whose energy is produced by the reaction of nuclear fission, i.e. splitting, spontaneous or induced, of the atomic nucleus of a heavy element into two or more fragments. The chain reaction takes place in a mass of uranium-235 or plutonium-239 highly concentrated at the instant when the mass is made critical. Fission can be initiated in massive form, i.e. as a chain reaction, if the fissile nuclei are so numerous and close together as to make it possible the further collision of neutrons with new fissile nuclei. The isotopes that can be used in practice are uranium-235 and plutonium-239. These heavy materials are the fissile material. When a free neutron strikes the nucleus of a U-235 or a Pu-239 nucleus, it is captured by the nucleus for a very short time, making the nucleus unstable compound. This breaks within 10 to 15 seconds in two or more nuclei of lighter elements, releasing simultaneously 2 or 3 neutrons, and about 1% of its mass is converted into energy in the form of mainly of photons and kinetic energy of light nuclei and the remaining free neutrons, for a total of about 200 mega electron volts. The neutrons released by the processes may in turn strike other fissile nuclei in the system, which then fission, releasing more neutrons and propagate the chain reaction in the whole mass of material. The explosion is triggered by the use of conventional explosives that bring together parts of the kernel, or modify it to make the supercritical mass, through systems of detonators which can be complex and different type of. The core is changed in form and concentration to bring it to a supercritical state. There are essentially one technique is called detonated projectile or gun-triggered fission bomb. It's easier to build, requires a rudimentary technology, but it works well only with uranium-235. Plutonium, in fact, due to eliminated traces of the isotope 240, is more unstable, and thus the device would require devices with which it would become too cumbersome to be used with.